Buying your first car is a big moment, but let's face it, when you're on a tight budget, it can be hard to find something safe, reliable, and stylish. The good news is, you don't need to spend a fortune to get a great first car. In this video, we'll show you the best cars under $6,000 for new drivers in 2025. Each one is beginner-friendly, affordable to maintain, and built to last. Let's dive in. Number 1, Honda Civic 2008 to 2012. Our first pick is the Honda Civic, model years 2008 to 2012. This car is a legend among reliable used vehicles, and for good reason. It's fuel efficient, easy to drive, and extremely low maintenance. With prices ranging from $4,000 to $6,000, it's a smart buy in 2025. You can expect around 28 miles per gallon in the city, and up to 36 on the highway. Insurance costs are low, especially for the base trims. The 1.8-liter engine is known for lasting over 250,000 miles. On the downside, older Civics can be targets for theft, and some models may have rust issues, but overall, it's one of the best first cars you can buy. Number 2, Toyota Corolla 2009 to 2013. Next up is the Toyota Corolla, model years 2009 to 2013. If you want a car that's worry-free and built to last, this is it. It's not flashy, but it's dependable, comfortable, and cheap to run. You'll find clean models under $6,000, often with less than 150,000 miles. Fuel economy is around 27 miles per gallon in the city, and 35 miles on the highway. It also has excellent safety ratings, making it ideal for new drivers. Pros include a smooth automatic transmission, minimal repairs, and great resale value. The downside, it's not very exciting to drive, and the base trims don't have many features. But if you want something that just works, go for the Corolla. Number 3, Mazda 3 2010 to 2013. Now, let's talk about a car with a little more personality, the Mazda 3. If you want something fun to drive but still practical, this one's for you. The 2010 to 2013 models offer sharp handling, good looks, and solid reliability. Expect to pay around $400 to $5,800 for a clean one. Fuel economy is about 26 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles on highway. It's got a sportier feel than most cars on this list, especially with the manual transmission. However, be cautious about rust if you live in a snowy area, and rear seat space is a bit tight. Still, the Mazda 3 offers an excellent driving experience for the price. Number 4, Hyundai Elantra 2011 to 2014. If you're looking for something that feels modern without breaking the bank, check out the Hyundai Elantra. The 2011 to 2014 models come with surprisingly good tech and a sleek design. Bluetooth, USB ports, and even touchscreens can be found in higher trims. You'll find many listings between $3,800 and $5,500. It offers up to 38 miles per gallon on the highway, making it very fuel efficient. Pros include a comfortable ride, attractive styling, and low cost of ownership. Cons: paint issues on some models, and it's not as refined as a Honda or Toyota, but for the price, it's hard to beat. Number 5, Ford Focus 2012 to 2014. Last on our list is the Ford Focus, model years 2012 to 2014. This car offers a solid mix of practicality and fun, especially in hatchback form. It's spacious, handles well, and has great visibility. Expect to pay between $3,500 and $5,800 for a well-kept one. Fuel economy sits around 26 miles per gallon in the city, and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. You'll also get decent tech with Ford's SYNC system in some trims, but avoid early automatic versions. They are known to have transmission problems. If you can find a manual, you've got yourself a solid, versatile first car. So, what's the best first car for you? If you want top-tier reliability, go with the Toyota Corolla. If you want fun and style, try the Mazda 3. If modern features matter most, consider the Hyundai Elantra. Need something with cargo space? Look at the Ford Focus hatchback. And if you want a safe all-rounder that will last for years, the Honda Civic is your best bet. Thanks for watching, and hey, if your budget is even tighter, check out our video on the best cars under $5,000, linked right here on the screen.